So we're back on the XLR125. In episode 1, we got it running. In this episode, we're going to focus on the brakes. So we're going to start on the front. Okay. Try and get some yak coming behind there. Hold on. We'll try and run it behind it. I've never had a caliper this seized before, mate. This is nasty. All at once. Kind of like what that seal,
yeah, get it in a little
behind it. While I knock backwards.
That's what I tried to do, but the clamp just.
Can you wobble
caliper.
it like that now? Can you give it a wobble?
Like that?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know.
It's going.
Hey! Oh! The sweet release of piston.
So now we've got the calipers stripped down, I'll just explain where we're up to. Now, that was probably the worst caliper I've ever had stripping it down. The best way of extracting the brake pistons is by taking the pads out, taking the slider off and pumping the brake. That pushes the pistons out using hydraulic force. Much better way of doing it. The only problem is, while we're doing that, it only pushed them out so far until it got past the seal, and then your brake pressure dropped off and it wouldn't go out anymore. But it was still seized in place. Now, the problem is the ceramic pistons, and they've got this tiny internal diameter, so you can't get your brake piston removal tools on it. So we've got a couple of different ones. We've got your internal piston pliers, which you can grip on the inside, rotate it and pull it out. Couldn't use them because they're too big for it. And we couldn't use the one with a slide hammer on it because, again, they're too big for it. The pistons are internal diameters too small on the pistons. So we knew we were replacing the pistons anyway, so we had to just resort to brute force, and we got there. So now the caliper's stripped down, all we need to do is clean it up and reassemble it. So now we've done the front brake, time to move on to the back. So that's it for episode 2. We've now got working front and rear brakes. Stay tuned for episode 3. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Oh, here's a little trick for you. If you're undoing 2 bolts and one of them undoes, do not say anything until you've undone the second one. Don't say anything. Keep quiet, because otherwise it will seize.
Get it front ways again. Let's see if that one works now.
It worked. What?
Grab it from that side again. No. Rotate. Like we've got this one up.
Like that?
No.
Oh, I get you.
Like
I get
we've
you.
got
Yeah.
this one. Yeah.
Shut up. Explain better. Shut up. We don't need you now. Lucky we had glasses on. Go in.
It's not going quick enough.
Yak 'em.
Yeah. Yak 'em. Isn't that a yogurt drink?
I don't know, mate. I just call it Yakum.
Why?
Maintenance spray.
I don't know.
Don't know where it came from.
Oh,
It's just what we call it.
Movement.
Yeah, it's got some levering, a bit of leverage.
That's what I was doing. Let it get a bit of
That'll
water.
just shatter it. That's not leverage. It's not levering it, that's shattering it.
There's too much shatterage happening on this one.
Right. You try and do that and I'll try and knock off because... knock one.
You try and knock one out while I... Shatterage.
Shatterage, but moverage. Yeah. Don't put your finger between them.
See, I know.
If you moverage, I'll spray your
Squareage.
Ow. Hey, that moverage. What's the itch about? Where's that come from?
I'm trying to give it a bit of wobblage. Oh, hey.
Yeah, that did move.